Do you see it? The smallest member of the waystation right now is the monarch caterpillar. I actually saw this guy on one of my purple milkweeds, and the purple milkweed is new to the garden, so it had only a few leaves on it, and he had eaten them all. So I am going to show you how to find monarch caterpillars in your waystation. The first thing you want to look for is damage on your leaves. So as they start eating the leaves, which this swamp milkweed is a host plant for them, you'll notice damage. That's going to be your first clue that you've got caterpillars. And the monarchs are moving quite fast this time of year. I just find they're kind of like little drunk monkeys. They just flit from flower to flower, and so they're very difficult to see, and they don't stay in one place very long. They're moving. So the second thing you want to look for is frass, and that's the poop of the caterpillar. That's another way you know that they're here, because they eat a lot, they poop a lot, and so you will see frass in the garden. You'll see a third one here on this plant. Now, if you've only got a couple of strands of milkweed, it's very possible that you're going to have to move your caterpillars to plants that aren't so ravaged by them. There are actually 4 of these guys right now eating happily on the milkweed. So it's possible that at some point I'm going to have to relocate them. But this is how you look for them. Is come out early in the morning. I usually can see the plant with no wind will bend or move. That tells me that they're there. But look for damage and look for frass. Hope you guys are having a great day. Garden thoughtfully. Take care.